Hello everyone, I'm Eric, the International Brand Officer of Eastful Group. Welcome to the core production base of Eastful Group in Jiangnan District, Chongqing. Today, I'm thrilled to give you an inside look at a leading high-tech cable manufacturer from China. Since 1997, Eastful Group has grown into a national high-tech enterprise dedicated to integrating research and development, production, and the sales of cables and wires. As a specialized international manufacturer, we pride ourselves on a solid industrial foundation. Our modern production base here is equipped with dedicated international production lines and advanced machinery. With a standardized management system and efficient global sales and logistics channels, we ensure customers worldwide have reliable access to satisfactory cable products. Our commitment to innovation is evidenced by our 173 patents and a professional research and development center. We operate under the stringent international quality standards to ensure that every single cable and wire produced by Eastful Group meets the highest demand for safety and durability. At Eastful Group, we are committed to building a reliable global brand through continuous innovation, uncompromising quality, and lasting trust. We are not just making cables, we are building the essential arteries for power transmission that supports the development of smarter cities and a more connected world.